The melody of our welcome song, Fangalafia, which we sang earlier, happens to share the same melody as a well-known children's song called Lil Liza Jane. Let's check out that melody again, first in traditional West African style as Fangalafia, then in a swinging New Orleans brass band style as Lil Liza Jane. Okay, y'all, could you hear that the melody was the same? Earlier, we learned the vocal call and response to Fangalafia. Now, let's learn the call and response to Little Liza Jane. So, let's try this together. I believe in you. Here we go.